Hello! Welcome to the studio. Today, we are going to learn how to make a button using our American Button Maker machine. Here in the studio, we have the 1 1/4 inch size machine. The library supplies 1 bag of materials per day, which contains enough supplies to make 2 buttons. All supplies are labeled and organized in the small drawers next to the button maker. The studio provides free pre-cut circle designs for your project. If you would like to print out your own design for the button maker, the studio has a circle punch to cut out paper to the correct size. Designs must be printed on standard A4 size computer paper to be used in the button maker. The printed out design must be cut into strips, which can be done on our paper cutters located in the back corner of the studio. If you make your own design, remember to fit your design within the 1 1/4 inch width for the finished button. The circle punch cuts out paper circles that will be the design for your button. Unlock the circle punch and feed 1 paper strip at a time to avoid jams. Push the handle down to punch a circle out of your paper. Once you have gathered the 2 circle designs you wish to use, it is time to insert materials into the button maker. In the bag of supplied materials, you will see 2 shells, 2 pieces of clear mylar, 2 pin backs, and now your 2 pre-cut circle designs. Place the button maker on the table so that the machine is facing you like so. Place 1 shell piece into the slot labeled with number 1. The curved shell piece should be facing up with sharp edges pointing down. After the shell piece is in place the paper circle design facing up on top of the shell piece in the same slot labeled with number 1. Place the clear mylar plastic piece on top of the paper circle in the same slot. Lastly, place the pin back into the slot labeled with number 2. Make sure the sharp edges are pointing up in this slot. Once all pieces are in place, double-check you have aligned your design and the pin back so they are level in the button maker. After all pieces are aligned, slide the mechanism labeled slot number 1 under the presser. Pull the red lever handle down towards you and then back to release. After you have released the handle, slide slot number 2 under the presser. Once again, pull the red lever handle down towards you and then back to release. Swivel the mechanism to the home position. You will see your finished button in slot number 2. Congratulations! You did it! Thanks for joining us in the studio to learn how to make your own button. What will you make today?